Today's topic is transitive and intransitive verbs. In a sentence, we show some kind of actions. These actions can be of two types. Number one, physical action. Number two, it can be mental action. When we talk about the physical actions, we say jump, escape, run, clap, eat. So in these all actions, in all these words, we show some kind of movement of our body parts. So these actions are called physical actions. And in some actions, we do not move our physical part. We do things mentally, like किसी को पसंद करना, think, to think. In these actions, we do not move our body parts, but we internally work through our mind, through our feelings. So these are also called actions, but these are called mental actions. So verbs are of two kinds of actions. These are the physical actions and the mental actions. Next is verbs are also verb also tell about state of being, and these verbs are called auxiliary verbs. Some verbs do not tell any action in a sentence. Instead, they tell the state of being, like what something is, what something are. So the state of existence, it describes the state of existence. So this is called state. These are called auxiliary verbs. Some verbs tell us about the possession, like has, have, or had. With these words, we tell that what we own. हमारे पास क्या है? What we possess. हम किस चीज पे possess करते हैं, possession रखते हैं. So in these words, in these sentences, these words are are verbs. When these words are following any action word, अगर किसी sentence में if these words are following any action word, then action word become the main verb and these verb becomes the auxiliary verb. But if in any sentence these words are not following any action words, so these words become main verb. Now see the two examples here. Number one, the person is running fast. In this sentence, you can see running is an action word which is showing the movement, and is also there which is an auxiliary verb. So which word do you find here as a main verb? Because this is following running. So here running is the main verb and this is the helping verb or the auxiliary verb. Now see the second example. The person is runner. Now in this sentence, you can see runner. This word runner is not an action because no action is being done here. This is a noun. Here it is a name of a person who runs. So now this is not following any action word. So this word is the main verb here. Although it is an auxiliary verb, but it is working as a main verb because it is telling the state of being. यहाँ पर person की being को बता रहा है कि what the person is. So this is here it is a, यहाँ पर ये क्या है, ये हो गया एक main verb. इसे हम यहाँ पर mention कर देते हैं. You can note down these things in your rough notebook so that you can read it again whenever you need it for the reference. Here running is the main verb. यहाँ पर you can underline this word. यहाँ पर you can underline this running and it is the main verb. Here is the you can underline this word and here is the it is the main verb. So now you have understood well about the main verb. So these are the three types of verbs. Number one, action verbs. Number two, state of being verbs. Number three, possession verbs. Now, if we have any verb, let us know. Let us talk about the action verbs. So, if we in a sentence, if we have any action verbs, action must receive something. There must be some object on which we are doing any action. अगर हम किसी सेंटेंस में कोई एक्शन कर रहे हैं, then there must be some object on which the action is being done. Now see the example. The person is eating the food. Now here eating is the action. Eating is the action, physical action, and for eating the person has the object food. What this eating action is being done on which object? It is being done on the food. So any action verb which needs an object. So it is not always necessary that every action verbs needs an object. You can see another sentence here. She sleeps. Now here again one action is being done. It is a mental action. There is no movement going on, but as there is no movement going on, but there is no object is needed. So there are two types of action verbs. One action verb which needs an object to be done, and which one verb action verb which does not need any object. So the action verb which needs an object, these are called transitive verbs. An action verb which needs an object, it is called transitive verbs. And some action verb which does not need any object for the action, it is called intransitive verbs. I hope you have well understood these things. Now I am again repeating this thing. The action verbs which needs an object to complete its sense, then this such kind of verbs are called transitive verbs. And if any action word which does not need any object to complete its sense, these kind of verbs are called intransitive verbs. So transitive verbs which needs an object, intransitive verbs which does not need any object.